B6neo Smart Charger, Voltage Calibration. SkyRC chargers are pretty well calibrated straight from the factory, so the calibration is not necessary for most users. However, after using it for a period of time, the voltage of the balance port may deviate. You can calibrate to enhance the precision with a calibrated multimeter. The calibration process for the B6neo charger is as follows. Connect the 6S battery to B6neo. On the main interface, press the plus button twice to enter the interface of battery resistance. Hold the enter and plus buttons together to enter the calibration interface. Press the plus button to go through the voltage of each cell. Press the enter button to choose the voltage, the value of which will turn blue. Press plus or dash to adjust the values.